Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna talk about MP2314, a high efficiency synchronous step down converter. Where and how to use it, how to implement it in circuits, and some basic stuff. So let's get started. MP2314 is a high-frequency synchronous rectified step-down switch mode converter with a built-in internal power MOSFET. It offers a very compact solution to achieve 2 ampere continuous output current over a wide input supply range with proper load and line regulations. Now, where you can buy it? You can just go to UTSOURCE.net in order to buy it. UTSOURCE provide a wide range of discrete electronic components like this MP2314, chip resistors, chip capacitors, inductors, microcontrollers, ICs, and so many other stuff. Visit UTSOURCE.net today for getting electronic component for cheap prices. Now let's continue with our video. MP2314 has OCP and thermal shutdown feature. We can supply it with 4.5 to 24 volt and get 5 volt 2 ampere, which can be then used to power a MCU or any other load. It's available in TSOT23 package, which is tiny, so we cannot just use it with a breadboard. In order to use MP2314, we need to make a circuit by following its schematic, which is given in its datasheet. I made my own version of this by adding the circuit to a attiny as a MOSFET setup in order to toggle a 12 volt load by following these steps. Step 1 will be getting the schematic from MP2314 datasheet. I want to add few more things, so I combined the given schematic with my own and made this PCB. After designing the PCB, I sent it to a PCB manufacturer and got the samples. Step 2 is assembly. Soldering the MP2314 is a challenge, so we need a SMT blower, but I don't have an SMT blower, so with a soldering iron it's hard to solder a SOT238 package. Hard but not impossible. The end result was pretty cool, as now I have a attiny breakout board which I can directly power with a 5 volt 24 volt power source without burning the microcontroller and can control stuff with it. Its working principle is also pretty simple. This circuit have a buck converter circuit which take 12 volt input and convert it into 5 volt 2 ampere for microcontroller and USB port. MCU will get powered and then control the state of MOSFET, which will turn on or off the load. The load will get powered by input voltage of this board, which is 12 volt. Hook up 12 volt with the circuit and add a 12 volt LED load. I have already uploaded the code to attiny 13A through Arduino as ISP. When I press this button, MOSFET is triggered by attiny, which let LED glow at its half power. On second press, LED glow at its full power. Third press will turn off the LED. And that is how you can use a MP2314 in projects where your input voltage is 12 volt and you need to use a 5 volt tolerant MCU for triggering something. I hope this project was helpful. If yes, then hit that subscribe button, leave a like or share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.